Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to OPPO A80. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO. Send at the bottom left corner of Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Following that, using all of those categories on Pixel device, select all of your files to Send. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. To scan the QR code though, use the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!